So right there he's saying, we have earth, and we have, English. We have earth, water, fire, air, ether. And these are Bina Prakriti. These are separate from me. So because Krishna's consciousness, super consciousness. And this is the Bahiranga Shakti. This is the external energy. So we are also consciousness. We are a drop of consciousness. So also our earth, our bones, the earth and water, the blood is the water, and the bones are the earth. And earth and water, and a fire in the belly, and a fire in the eye, and a fire in the mind. It's called Diagni, and Akagni, and Jadaragni. These are fires. So those are external to us also. As above, so below. So so now, although there's 8 are mentioned there, Krishna's mentioning 8, and then he mentions, the next verse, he mentions the 9th one, the Apara Prakriti. The Apara Prakriti means the Divya Shakti, means the spiritual particle. That's consciousness.